Ukraine's path to accession is a matter of survival, of sovereignty, and of a long-term security, and this not only for Ukraine, but for Europe as a whole. Despite this brutal war, Ukraine has advanced steadily on reforms, but accession is not only about ticking boxes. It is about transforming a state and society to guarantee the rule of law, the fight against corruption, the independence of institutions, and a functioning democracy, meaning following the Copenhagen criteria. This requires the whole of Ukraine, government, civil society, stakeholders, and particularly the Rada, the Parliament of Ukraine. And that calls for the vigilance of every actor for the sake of Ukraine's European future. Ukraine's EU accession is the most powerful guarantee of its security. Each reform consolidated, each cluster opened, each step forward is a step that locks Ukraine more firmly into our common European home. It is also a signal to Moscow. Ukraine's European destiny is irreversible. We will continue to support Ukraine in advancing reforms, particularly in the rule of law. And we will continue to ensure that the accession process remains merit-based, credible and predictable. Ukraine's future is in Europe. Its people have chosen this path with courage, with sacrifice and with hope. Now it is for us, all of us, to be up to these circumstances, to help make this choice irreversible and to ensure that one day soon Ukraine takes its rightful place also in this House